Pigeon peas is usually enjoyed in different stages. Most of the people are used to eating githeri with green pigeon peas. But today we are going to make githeri using dry pigeon peas, and this is how our dry pigeon peas look like. Already we have boiled our githeri with dry pigeon peas. So I want to take you along as we finish frying our dry pigeon peas. So come along and let us enjoy this recipe. And before we continue, my name is Cynthia Garden. Kindly remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, and also share with your friends. So let us do this. So guys, first we have our boiled githeri, which we have green maize and dry pigeon peas, and we are going to top it up with our carrots, courgette. We also have tomato, potatoes, then we have the onion. Then to spice it up, we have ginger and garlic, and also to spice it up we have the rosemary. So let's do this, and guys, let us enjoy the video. So we have prepared our ingredients. In our sufuria we have sliced onions ready to be fried. On this other side we have shredded carrots, shredded courgette, cubed potatoes. Here we have tomatoes, right? We have garlic, ginger, and rosemary ready. We have our githeri already here boiled. Then we have our cubes. We have our spices. We have our salt. So join us as we do this, guys. I usually like shredding my carrots and my courgette because they mix perfectly with the githeri, and any person can eat that githeri. Sometimes kids will say, oh no, we don't eat githeri, but when you mix them this way, the result will be So guys, let's do this. So we start by frying our onions in oil. So let's give it time for it to fry well. Cover it to cook well. So our onion is still cooking, and before it browns, let's go in with our ginger, garlic, and rosemary. Let them cook. Cover and let them cook. Guys, the aroma, wow. The flavors are infusing and you can feel the aroma. So as we still want to get the maximum flavor, let's go in with our cube. I told you the secret is put your spices better to the oil. So nice. So nice. Cover a bit. So nice. Go in with your tomato. Cover a bit. Let the tomatoes cook. The tomatoes are well cooking, but you don't want them to give us soup. So what you usually do is you don't want it to overcook. Cook a bit for them to become tender, then you add the other ingredients. So we go in with our potatoes. We don't want soup, guys. That is the secret with our tomatoes. Go in with our carrots. Go in with our courgette. Go in with all that which has been. We want them to cook it together with the tomato. Okay. Cover and let them cook a bit. So they are cooked and you can see the soup from the tomatoes. So nice. So let's go in with the spices. I don't need to tell you the names. Just know that we are doing spices. Peri peri. I've done American barbecue, Italian blend spices, peri peri, and this one is cajun. We don't want, let me just add some little peri peri. We don't want it to be that hot, because kids will also eat. So I believe the potatoes, the carrots, and the courgette are well cooked. So next we go in with our kideri. So nice. So nice. Let me just stir and show you guys. But so far so good, it's looking so nice. Let's add some little salt, because the kideri was cooked boiled in salt. So this one is nice. You can add some water for soup. You can add some coconut milk, some cream. So in our case, we're going to add some just little water to ensure that everything cooks well. So let's do that. Just little. We don't want it to have a lot of soup. So let's cover and let it cook. And now I'll show you the end results. So nice, guys. So nice. Thanks for looking for this. At this point, you can remove the rosemary. You can just let it stay there for beauty. So allow us to cook. Let's cover it a bit and cook. So guys, our kideri is ready. So ready, so nice. So allow us to enjoy. And guys, until next time, bye for now. Kindly remember to like, remember to share, and also remember to subscribe if you are new. Hey, the kideri looks. Bye bye for now.